Drug acting on central nervous system. In that we will see sedative and hypnotic drug. Introduction. Sedative. A sedative drugs decreases activity, moderate excitement and calm the patient. Hypnotic drugs. A hypnotic drug produces drowsiness and facilitate the onset and maintenance of state of sleep that resemble natural sleep. Barbiturates and benzodiazepine are widely used as a sedative and hypnotic drug. Barbiturates are the old class of drugs used to relax the body and help people sleep. Benzodiazepines are useful for treating insomnia and anxiety. They are the class of medications that work in central nervous system and are used for the variety of medical conditions. Difference between sedative and hypnotics. Sedative are drugs that decreases activity and have a calming, relaxing effect. People use this drug mainly to reduce anxiety. At a higher dose, sedative usually cause sleep. Drugs used mainly to cause sleep are called hypnotics. Difference between sedative and hypnotics. There is usually the amount of dose. Lower dose have a calming effect and higher dose have a causes sleep. Classification of barbiturates and benzodiazepine. Classification of barbiturates. Based on duration of action, they are mainly classified into long duration of action, intermediate duration of action, short duration of action. In long duration of action, action will show 6 hours or more. For intermediate duration of action, 3 to 6 hours and short duration of action less than 3 hours. Examples for long duration of action, barbital and phenobarbital. Then examples for intermediate duration of action, amobarbital and tolbutal. Then short duration of action, pentobarbital and secobarbital. Classification of benzodiazepine. Benzodiazepine are further classified according to the duration of action. Long duration of action 1 to 3 days. Example diazepam, nitrazepam. Short intermediate duration of action 10 to 20 hours. Example alprazolam and lorazepam. Short duration of action 3 to 8 hours. Oxazepam and triazolam. Structure of barbiturates. Structure activity relationship SAR of barbiturates. Both hydrogen atom in position 5 of the barbituric acid must be replaced by for maximum activity. Increases the length of an alkyl chain in the fifth position, enhance potency up to 5 or 6 carbon atom. Branch, cyclic or unsaturated in the fifth position generally produce a briefer duration of action than do normal saturated chain containing the same number of carbon atom. Compound with alkyl group in the first or third position may have a shorter onset and duration of action. Replacement of oxygen by sulfur on the second carbon shorten onset and duration of action. These are the structure activity relationship between of barbiturates. Benzodiazepine SAR 1,4-benzodiazepine electron withdrawing group at 7th position uh, represented with X. Then X will be chlorine, bromine, fluoride, cyanide, carbon trifluoride, NO2. Stronger with electron withdrawing group give more potent compound. SAR of benzodiazepine. The presence of an electron withdrawing substituent at position 7 is required for activity. Position 6, 8, 9 should not be substituted. The phenyl group at 5th position promote activity if this group is ortho or diortho substituted with electron attracting group, activity is increased. On the other hand, para substitution decreases activity greatly. The second carbonyl function is optimal for activity as in the nitrogen atom at first position. The N substituted should be small. Adverse effect of barbiturate. CNS. Barbiturate causes drowsiness, impaired concentration, drug hangover. Hypnotic dose of barbiturate produce a feeling of tiredness well after the patient awake. Barbiturate induce the P450 system, that is, it is an enzyme. By inducing aminoinic acid ALA synthetase, barbiturate increases formalin synthesis and are contraindicated in patients with acute intermediate porphyria. Adverse effect of benzodiazepine: lightheadedness, fatigue, increased reaction time, motor incorporation, impairment of mental or motor functions, confusion, anterograde amnesia, cognition appear to be affected less than motor performance. All of these effects can greatly impair driving and other psychomotor skill, especially if combined with ethanol. Synthesis of barbiturate. Synthesis of benzodiazepine. Clinical use of barbiturate in that treatment in insomnia, then thiopentane for anesthesia. Clinical use of barbiturate. Dosage. Average dose are between 50 to 100 milligram. Barbiturates are available in pill, liquid, rectal and injectable form in their formulation. Their effect lasts between 4 to 16 hours. Clinical use of benzodiazepine, sedative hypnotics, seizure control, anxiety, alcohol withdrawal, insomnia, control of drug-associated agitations, then as muscle relaxant and as per the pre-anesthetic agent, combined frequently with other medications for procedural sedation. Thank you.